Did you know you can set up Google Forms so your students can upload their media projects? It's easy, and it'll even create a Google Drive folder for you with all their uploads. Let's check it out. The first step is to create a Google Form. So you're going to go to New, Google Forms, and then it'll open a brand new Google Form. We're going to go ahead and type this January submission, and then I like to click here and it'll automatically fill that in. The first question you can do however you want. I'm just going to put project, and the part where we make it available to receive files is you're going to go to where it says short answer, and this is the type of question. Then you're going to go to file upload. Now it's going to tell you that if you are the owner, which you are, creating the Google form, you're going to be the one receiving the folder with the files. So what I'm going to do is click continue, and then you're going to have this. Now if you are doing, let's say you only want pictures, or you only want a PDF, or if you only want one thing, go ahead and select this and check the boxes of what you want, right? If you just want a PDF, if you just want presentations, if you want to leave it open, go ahead and just leave that unchecked. The maximum number of files, this is per person. If you want to do just one, up to 5, up to 10, it's up to you. And maximum file size. So each file can only be 10 megabytes or less. For me, if I do a lot of video projects for my students, I'm going to either want 100 megabytes or 1 gigabyte, depending on that type of project. And then I'm just going to click required, and that is it. Let's go ahead and see what this folder looks like in your Google Drive. And this is the folder where you would receive your project files that your students or anybody else uploads.